Cliqly update. I've officially been doing this for about 2 weeks now. Let me show you what I made. There it is.
Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to today's video. For anybody who has been involved, is involved, or is about to become involved, just want to get this out there on how you will start getting paid and what you need to do and what you need to fully understand. And it's not difficult whatsoever. First, I definitely want to set the record straight and let everybody know that the company is the real deal. And as long as you meet the minimum payment threshold to get paid, you will absolutely indeed get paid via direct deposit. The company pays out every single Friday directly to your bank account. Okay, and ever since I've been involved with Cliqly, I have received a payment consistently on a weekly basis, like clockwork, direct deposit on Friday to my bank account. But understand that what you need to do is to meet the minimum payment threshold to be paid, which is right here, folks, $300. Okay, don't quit, don't give up, and don't fall short of your goals, folks. This is an amazing, wonderful opportunity that you can build out very nicely over time. Okay, I've been doing very, very well with this opportunity. I decided to, like anything, make the sacrifices, and also I am sharing this as a affiliate, my referral link. Okay, and it's not difficult. What I recommend, this is what I've been doing, and it has worked very well for me, is this is a business. You've got to understand that. As with all businesses, it takes money to make money. You take the large corporate giants out there in corporate America, okay? They did not get to where they are today and experience the wonderful success that they have experienced by not investing and reinvesting in their businesses. That's why when I first got started, my approach, which has worked out very well for me, my team members, and countless others, is what we're doing is we're sharing this. It's working well. People are loving it. They're resonating with it. They're joining. So understand it takes money to make money. If you're someone who just is not willing to invest and reinvest, this probably is not the opportunity for you. And like they say, it takes money to make money. Scared money does not make any money. Okay, so just, wanted to get that out there first and foremost. So here is the minimum threshold. Understand $300 minimum payment threshold to be paid. So again, commissions you have earned are shown below, and everything is going to be below with your commission history if you have commissions coming. So that's the nice part. But I'm just sharing with you what is possible if you put your mind to it, and if you are persistent and consistent with your daily tasks, which is your email marketing. And if you elect to share it like I've done, folks, great things are happening. I'm just sharing with you what is possible if you believe in yourself and if you believe in the opportunity. And this is the real deal, folks. Irregardless of what you might be hearing out there, know that this is something simple. We have thousands of members from all over that are participating, have been participating, and will continue to participate. So you'll watch a presentation, you can check out some testimonials, get yourself started by clicking that link, and then what you'll do is you'll check your emails, you will get that welcome email, you'll be able to log in, and the third way of getting paid is an affiliate. Now, this is what you absolutely need to do in order to get paid once you have successfully met the minimum payment threshold of $300. Watch this video, click here. Please click here to submit your payment information. You have to click this link below the video and you hold. So I hope you have found this video encouraging, insightful, and beneficial. You need anything, text or call me, best way to reach me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.